What if I told you there's one study trick that top students swear by? Not highlighting everything. Not rereading notes 10 times. Just one powerful method, and most students have never heard of it. If you've ever studied for hours and still blanked on the exam, this video is made for you. By the end of this video, you'll have the only study trick you need to actually remember what you study. And I'll save the most powerful part for the end, so stick around. Here's the truth, most students don't know. Studying more doesn't mean learning more. It means your brain gets tired faster. Every year, millions of students spend 6, 7, even 8 hours studying and still fail their exams. Why? Because they're using the wrong method. Your brain doesn't remember everything it sees. It remembers what it's forced to recall. That's the key word, recall. Not reading, not highlighting. Recall. When you just reread notes, your brain feels familiar with the info. It tricks you into thinking you know it, but familiarity is not the same as memory. On exam day, familiarity disappears, and your mind goes completely blank. That's the trap, and here's the escape. The trick is called active recall, and it works like this. Instead of reading your notes again, you close them, and try to remember what you just studied. Yes, it feels uncomfortable. Yes, it's harder, but that difficulty, that's your brain learning. Think of your memory like a muscle. The more you stress it, the stronger it gets. Rereading is like watching someone else work out. Active recall is the actual workout. Here's how to use it step by step. Step 1. Study a small chunk of content. Not the whole chapter. Just one section, maybe 10 to 15 minutes of material. Step 2. Close your notes completely. No peeking, no scrolling back. Just close everything. Step 3. Write down everything you remember, on a blank piece of paper or a blank doc, like you're teaching it to someone else. Step 4. Open your notes. Check what you got right, and more importantly, what you missed. Step 5. Go back to the gaps. Only study what your brain forgot. This is where real learning happens. Repeat this cycle for every section, and watch your retention skyrocket. Let me give you a quick real-life example. Imagine you're studying the human nervous system. You read your notes once, then you close them, and on a blank page, you write. The nervous system has 2 parts. You struggle. You hesitate. That struggle is your brain building pathways. When you check your notes and fill the gaps, those pathways get stronger. That's memory. Real exam-ready memory. Now, imagine applying this every study session. Within 1 week, you remember 80% more. You walk into the exam confident. You see the question and the answer just comes. No blank moments. No panic, just clarity. Because your brain practiced retrieval, not just recognition. The big mindset shift here is this. Studying is not about putting information in, it's about pulling information out. The more you practice pulling it out, the easier it becomes on exam day. Most students study to feel ready. Top students study to actually be ready. That one shift changes everything. So here's your action plan starting today. Pick one subject, just one. Study one section. Close your notes. Write everything you remember. Check your gaps. Review only those. Do this for 30 minutes and feel the difference. If this video helped you, drop a comment saying active recall below. That tells me you're serious about your grades. And subscribe to UltraMind Hacks for more science-backed study strategies every week. Your next exam doesn't have to be stressful. It just needs the right method. And now you have it.